Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you guys how to say the English rude word, but please don't say this to anybody because it's not good. I'm just wanna teach you or coach you guys how to, in case you are watching some movies, that way gonna open your ear. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbutena bandeko no suposa kolandanga. Lelo na ko coach bino ndenge nini balobaka ba momoko ndetsa mabe na anglais mais ko-utiliser yango te pas batu te pour ko créer ba problème, okay? So guys, I just want to stress this a little bit. Please don't use this to, to your boss or supervisor. No, it's gonna cause some problem, okay? So yeah, the video is not that long, so to remind business on to skip again, to remind business on to skip. Okay, so come here. Them, fuck, to fuck, fucker, damn, fuck, to fuck, fuckers, fucker. So when you take a look, okay, these one are some of them is noun, some of them is a verb, some of them is a person, okay? So if we go back here, okay, so to remind business on to skip. Like for example, when you watch a movie, okay, maybe somebody will, let's say the person in the prison or the prisoner, they break, all right? Instead of saying the prisoner ran away, they say you don't need to use like, oh, the prisoner ran away. No. The correct verb is to skip. Okay, to skip. That's the correct verb you use. Okay, so we go here. So when you watch the movie, or sometimes you're gonna hear some actor, they say damn, fuck. The fuck in this case is like a verb. Fucker is a person. Okay, we come here. You're gonna hear this a lot. Okay, a lot. You're gonna hear this. Okay. Remind your own business. Remind your own business. So if you take a look here, there's a mistake. Remind your own damn business. Remind your own damn fucking business. So we're gonna fix there, okay? So we're gonna fix it. So we're gonna fix that. So remind your own damn business, okay? So we're gonna go here, make sure put this one. Okay, so again, remind your own business. Remind your own damn business. Remind your own damn fucking business. Okay? So, one more time. Remind your own business. So, remind your own business. Okay? Remind your own damn business. Remind your own damn fucking business. Okay, so like let's say those people who like to control people, their life, this. So if like you feel like people like that, they're giving you high time, you can just say to him or her, remind your own business. Remind your own damn business. Remind your own damn fucking business. Okay, so but please don't say it. It's not that good. It's like the way I see it, don't say it. In case you watch the movie, that way you can open your ear. But in reality, don't say that, okay? Come here. Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own business? Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own damn business? Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own damn fucking business? So you can see when you look at it, there's a little change here. After you're gonna see here, there's a little bit of changing here. Okay. And when you look at here, you look at here, and you look at here, okay? You can see the differences. So, one more time. Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own business? Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own damn business? Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own damn fucking business? You see? So you can see there's a little change there. You look at each of them, there's a little bit different. Here we got a different. You see, this one make it a little bit stronger. This one make it even heavy when you're saying it. Okay? So, one more time. Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own business? Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own damn business? If here, it's make it even stronger. Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own damn fucking business? Okay, so when you look at the way I'm reading it, you can see that some of them it sound not really that heavy when you're saying it. The other one is sound like strong. The other one really strong. The last one. Okay, so one more time. Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own business? Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own damn business? Motherfucker, why can't you mind your own damn fucking business? So you're gonna see the last one is heavy. It's really strong. Okay, so look, my advice you, don't say this to anybody. Okay, it's not good. Some of you may say, then why are you teaching it? Because I want you to know in case your kid, let's say you have a son or a daughter or you have a children, they're saying this, and then you know that what they're saying is not they're not supposed to say that. Okay? And then you can correct them. You can correct your kid not to say it. Okay? So yeah, so the video is not gonna be that long. So I wanna make sure that I provide you guys the right tool here and the right vocabulary. Okay? I'm not teaching you this. I don't wanna teach you guys something that it's gonna cause a problem later on. No, I want to teach you guys or coach you guys something that you understand, and when somebody's saying it and you know that, oh, what they're saying is not that right. Okay, so motherfucker, Kevin escaped from Hamilton jail. Or if we want, we can just rid of this. We can just say Kevin escaped from Hamilton jail. So I'm gonna fix that. We can rid of that. Okay. So yeah. So motherfucker and Kevin escaped from Hamilton jail. It doesn't sound that good. You don't wanna say it like that. No, it's not that good. So when we go to the here, yes, Kevin escapes from Hamilton jail. So in this case, when I say escape, okay, it means like let's say that I was in a prison, okay, and then I end up escape. It's like I run away. I get out from prison and run away. That in case English is not your first language, if you're an ESR student, easy way for me to explain to you. So escape is like running away, like you got arrested and you went in jail. and after that you escape from jail. It means like you break, like you run away from jail. Okay, so they're gonna start searching you to make sure that you don't harm anybody outside there. Yes, so the correct verb to use is to escape. Okay, so yeah, this one is a verb. Okay, this one is a proposition. This one is a city, Hamilton. Okay, so yeah, so the video is not that long, so I want to provide you guys the right tool, the tool that when you understand, you got them right, you're gonna use it. But some tool, don't use them. You have them, but it's like a knife. You don't want to use a knife to do some damage there. No, you use a knife to cook.